So this is something I've always wanted to do, a vlog on my home city, Oxford, the place of my birth. This is my playground. In today's vlog, I'm going to be taking you up to Carfax Tower, to the rooftop. We're going to be comparing the views to St Mary's Church Tower, which is just down the road in High Street, and to see which has the best views for Oxford's Dreaming Spires. Let's do it. If you ever fancy coming for a lovely meal, a bit of wining and dining, this place across the road, the Ivy, I've heard some really good reports about the food there and the service. Well worth a try. So over there we've got Carfax Tower, and I've got an appointment booked for 12 o'clock, and it's dead on 12 now, so I should be alright. So you see those little guys there? Every 15 minutes they chime those bells. I'll try and catch that later for you if I can. So how do you fancy going all the way to the top of this tower? This is Carfax Tower, and I'm going to take you there, and after that we'll go all the way down there, down the High Street to St Mary's Church Tower. We're going to climb that one too and show you the views there from the top too, and see what you think is the best. Right, well, I'm climbing this spiral staircase, and the first level it brings you to is here. Tells you all about the tower. There's those little guys I was telling you about. Okay, let's do this. I'll tell you something, I'm saving you all the hard work, because it's not easy climbing these stairs, no matter how fit you are. Ooh. Right, let's have a look at these Dreaming Spires. Right, so now that I've got my breath back up after walking up all those stairs, let's just give you some pointers here. So, that place there, that's Nuffield College. Down there, that's the Westgate Centre. We've been through there. And right over there, you might just see some masonettes. That's where I was born. You got some Aldates Church just there, and then you got Christchurch College there, and behind that you can see the cathedral. So Carfax is regarded as the centre of Oxford, but I'm sure you'll agree. You can just see the Radcliffe Camera there, and there you got St Mary's Church. Right, I'm just going to zoom in here. Right, you can just see Magdalen at the back there, Magdalen College, and if you come over this way a little bit, with the spires there, where are we? There. That's Merton College. So plenty to see. So this is the top of Carfax Tower. So that really is a nice picture there. We're bang smack in the centre of Oxford, as I say. And to the left you've got Cornmarket Street. Up there you got High Street, St Aldates, and back this way is Queen Street. Guess we better give this a go again. going down these stairs, and there's a lot of them. And if you think it's easier going down than coming up, you got another thing coming, because your legs start going wobbly. And I'm now standing in the centre of Oxford. A quick pan round there. And what I'm going to try and do in a minute is to get a video piece of the two men that chime that bell up there. Let's just show you. Yeah, up there. Stand by. I guess I got to do about a minute's film in here just to make sure that I catch this, because those two guys there, they will chime those bells on the stroke of 12:15. They're going to be late if they don't do it soon. There we go. Now, wasn't that worth waiting for? How many times I've heard that clock chime since a little schoolboy. Well, I hope you like that. So there's always a police car, ambulance or bus or motorbike or something going by when you're doing vlogs. See? We're heading for St Mary's Church Tower now, and it's literally just about, I don't know, a quarter of a mile down the road from Carfax. You still see Carfax in the background there, look, the tower. And seriously, we've just got to go just down there a little bit. I cannot believe the Mitre is closed after all those years. Oh, that is such a shame. It's been around for so long. A real shame. So anyway, you can still see Carfax Tower in the background there. I've just gone into a lamppost, I'll do that bit again. So you can see Carfax Tower, just been up there. So literally it is just down this street here. Well, we're on the high street at the moment. But St Mary's Church Tower is just down a little bit further. And there's the evidence itself. Just look at that building. Absolutely magnificent. So folks, I'm going to be taking you right to the top up there and comparing the views with Carfax Tower, and you can make up your own minds which you find is better. Fancy a trip to the top there? Let's do it. Right folks, so here we go again, up St Mary's Church Tower. Well, I'm glad I'm not going up there. I wonder if that is the clock clock's mechanism. Is this going to be worth it? What are the views going to be like? Well, I'm just going to walk along here a bit, and in a minute you're going to be blown out of your minds, because just take a look at that. So this is Radcliffe Square, and over there you have All Souls College, of course the Radcliffe Camera, Brasenose College, and behind the Radcliffe Camera you've got the Bodleian Library. Right, so let's just take you around the other side and see how the views compare. I think my pigeon's following me around. Ah, that's also fantastic. So there in the background you've got Magdalen. Look at these colleges, absolutely fantastic. And I've been in a fair few of them. So what's around this way? Tom Tower, Christchurch College. Look at that, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And Carfax Tower is just down there somewhere. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Go around a bit more. There we go. So folks, there you have it, Carfax Tower or St Mary's Church Tower. Both have really nice views. But what do you think? Comments down below. Let me know what you think's best. I know what I think. Well, hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications on when I upload new videos. And look out for the next one. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.